Hey everybody, it's Eileen with Kidfunideas.com, and today I thought we'd make this super cute clown paper bag puppet. You can find all the directions on how to make this and at Kid Fun Ideas in our spring craft section. It's paper bag puppet, and it comes with all the directions and pattern pieces. So for this craft, what you'll need is scissors, colored paper, some glue stick, and a paper bag to assemble your puppet with. Okay, so you gather your supplies and I'll meet you right back here. Okay, the first thing you're going to want to do is cut out all your pattern pieces, and you can cut them out of the paper that it says to cut them out of on the website, or you can actually use whichever colored paper that you want, because clowns are very colorful and they wear mismatched and pattern paper pattern outfits all the time. So first you're going to lift the bag top up a little, and you're going to glue down your shirt. The next thing you're going to want to do is put on his pants. You're going to do that just below. Bring that right on top. Next, we're going to take his two suspenders, and I made mine purple. And you know, even wrapping paper would be fun to use for this because it has such neat patterns. One on one side, one on the other. We're going to put on a couple of buttons covering our suspenders. Made mine purple. Next come his shoes. One shoe on one foot. One shoe on the other foot. So cute. Okay, next comes his little ruffled collar. I'm going to just lift that up a little bit. Put that right underneath. He's really shaping up. Then he has two hands that go on either side. A little glove glue there. And let's see, which way's the thumb go? A little glove of glue on the other side. These are really coming together. So next we're going to put together his noggin. And to do that, we have the headpiece right here, and it comes with two pieces of hair. Now the hair is a little tricky. On the pattern, you'll notice it has a little line where you cut that out, and then you use your scissors to make a slit only as far as that line, because we're going to put this up and over his ear. So we're going to take the headpiece and we're going to put the slit right over the top of his ear. So it looks like that. One on one side, one on the other. And then we're going to take a little dab of tape, a little piece of tape, and we're going to put that, going to get the hair on in place, just so it stays put. So it looks a little more natural. Then on the other one, we're just going to, another little piece of tape, and we're just going to glue that on the other side, right where his other ear would be. So now he has his head on there straight. Okay, so now that we have his hair on in place, we can add, and I'm just going to move this over for just a second. It comes with a little mouth piece that I just cut out, and you can just glue that directly right on. If you want to make a different type of mouth, you can go ahead and put that on there. I'm going to use the one that came with the pattern. And I've given him a big red nose. And I'm going to give him a little jolly hat on top. And I chose black for this. And I think a little band for his hat so it stands out a little bit better. Okay, so now we have our head. Now you could put googly eyes on for his eyeballs or draw them in. I'm just going to draw a couple of little half moon size eyeballs with some eyelashes that go on there like that. And the last step would be to glue his head on to the paper bag. So, whoop, a little blob of glue, and on he goes. There you have it. Well, this paper bag puppet is so darn cute. I hope you guys get a chance to make your own clown today. And until next time, I'll see you later. Bye for now.